Hola, hola, I'm Désirée Iturbide, and today I'm going to show you how to draw this orchid using geometric shapes. This orchid has 5 petals, and they are basically the same size. We will start by drawing a cross, and then 2 lines that come out of the center diagonally like this. We will now make 3 ovals, one here, and one here. Then we will draw 2 circles that are slightly bigger than these ovals here, one on each side like this. And on the sides of the circles, we're gonna draw a triangle, one here and one here. In the center, there is a small circle. Okay, now we will connect the shapes doing rounder lines. Okay, one here for this petal. This petal comes here. And here you see they connect doing these kind of curves like this. The upper petal has an indent on the top of it like a name shape here. And then we have this petal and this petal here. Okay. This orchid has this shape here, and we will draw it by drawing a horizontal oval here and a shape that is like a W that is here. We need to connect these two to this small circle, and we just do it like this, 1, 2, and this one is connected like this. So I'm going to fill this part so you can see how it really should be. Hard with all these lines, but now you can see it better. There you go.